The office of Junior Councilor is one of dignity and honor. The members of this chapter express their confidence in you when you are elected to this position. You are to cooperate heartily with the other two councilors as prescribed by our ritual. Your capabilities and effectiveness will afford the best proof of your zeal and interest in this chapter. Your station is in the south, symbolic of the meridian sun or the noon of life. Brother Installing Marshal, you will conduct the Junior Councilor to his station in the south, after which you will present the deacons for installation.